Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. I talk a lot about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Also, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps me a ton, but I'm also going to be putting out a ton of content for you guys. So I recently did an unboxing video with bulk.com and I shared what I got with them and the prices that I had paid. And it was something new because I've been getting creative with how I'm finding inventory. Since this lockdown all has happened, I've been running out of my death pile, which if you don't know what a death pile is basically a pile of stuff that's unlisted that I've been able to go to when I can't get to the thrift stores or get to garage sales or find things to resell. Well, I almost ran out and we're still not able to go to garage sales, still not able to go to thrift stores. So I've been getting creative with how to find my inventory. Well, I bought 2 boxes from bulk.com and I actually did an unboxing video, so make sure you go check out that video. I was extremely pleased with them. So this time I decided to get some clothing from a company, and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I found and the prices I found them for, because they was really great items, new with tags, and I'm very pleased and I will definitely be purchasing from them again. So I got 34 items for $280, and that included shipping, that included taxes. So that means each item that I got, I paid $8.23, like 24 total. So $8.24 total, and the profit margin is gonna be insane on it. So today's video is going to be focused on sharing what items I got from them and whether or not I'm going to purchase from them again. I will say the only thing that I am not pleased with so far with the company is the fact they shipped in poly mailers and they jam-packed all the items in there. And the reason why I'm not happy with that is because when you cut in with scissors, there really was no room to cut to where you wouldn't be hitting the item. So I literally had to make one small little snip and then pull it apart. Otherwise, I risked cutting an item and then, you know, you have to take that out because you can't sell it. I mean, it has a hole in it. But without further ado, I definitely want to share what I got with you guys and the prices I think that I could sell it for. These are items in my forte. The bulk.com was not, because it was hard goods and furniture and decor. So I wanted to try something new, but I've already been able to sell a lot of that on Facebook Marketplace as well as Mercari. So these items will be in Poshmark more than likely, as well as possibly like ThredUp and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started, but don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Thank you so much. Right before I get started, I am a little under the weather. Our weather in here in Illinois has flip-flopped from like 50 to 80, so I do have really bad allergies right now, so if I sound a little different, that's why. And also, check out this awesome vintage t-shirt I have. It's a 1997 Tasmanian Devil shirt. Love, love, love it. So alright, let's start with the first piece here. This is a leaf. Just a dress, floral dress. All of these are dresses, and this is, hopefully I can get it to kind of focus. Leaf. The original price was $69, and I probably get like 20 to 25 out of it. And I'm gonna go lower than what I really project on getting, just so I don't like inflate these prices for you guys. So this is a Go Couture. I've never heard of this one. It looks like it's a Nordstrom Rack brand for $69 originally, and it's just a really long, flowy black dress. Again, I feel like I could get 20 to 25. This is a NSR dress, and the original price is $85, but it's gorgeous. This one will definitely do well. I think I could get 30 to 35 out of it easily. This is a Chandler Henry. Never heard of this brand, and honestly I can't really decipher what the words are saying because it's in cursive. And the original value is $88. Just a plain navy dress with some ruffles and stuff at the bottom. I could probably get 25 to 30 out of it. I like this brand. This is a CC dress. I have CC by Stephanie Filson or something like that, and it did really well before. This one originally is $98, and if I could find, I hope I can find like a picture of it online, but it's just a gorgeous velvet or velour type dress, a little bit of a mini dress. It's got strappy and, you know, the racer back design. I definitely could get like probably 50 out of this one. This is IRO. The original is $575. It's gorgeous. It's got ruffles, it's flowy. It's got a kind of a watercolor floral print. So I'm gonna shoot for hopefully 100 out of this one. I've never heard of the brand, but I think I've got high hopes for that one. This is a Findz Camuto, and it's just kind of a short velour lined dress. I love Findz Camuto, but the clothing doesn't do as extremely well, but I feel like I could get 30 to 40 out of this one. This guy is Chelsea 28, and the original price is $139. It's just a gorgeous burgundy dress. The back has the most detail to it. Just kind of got like ruffled design, cuffed wrist, low back. I'm gonna shoot for 50 out of this one too, especially if I can find a original retail picture. That'll help it sell much better. This is 24/7 Comfort Apparel. The original price is not on there, but the clearance was $22. So it's just a plain black dress. It's got the bell arms, the flowy bottom. Little black dresses do well. The only thing is they suck for taking pictures, so hopefully I can get a good picture of it, and I think I can get 20 to 25 out of this one. And this is another one of those CC dresses. So there are a few duplicates in here. I'm not gonna like show those again. This one is a Pissarro Nice. That's probably not how you explain it at all, but yeah, that's the brand. And it originally was $218. It's got like a lace top. It's got some sequin detail. It's a beautiful long, well, knee-long dress. I'm gonna shoot for $60 out of that one. This is a CAD. All of these they came from Nordstrom Rack. And this is just a strappy black dress with some bow detail, and actually has a cutout in the front there. It is a little bit of a shorter style. I'm gonna shoot for 20 out of this one, but I'll probably get like 15 to 20. And there was another one of them. I like duplicates too because you can put a quantity on there, then you don't have to relist it again afterwards. Now this one is a Bobio. I really like this brand. It does really well. It's not going to be like a super high flip, but this is a larger dress as well. So I'm going to shoot for 20 to 30 out of it. The original is $72. This is a Bebe dress. I really like Bebe, but it's a hit or a miss on the styles. The original price is $109 for this one, but it's a beautiful red dress, just a little past the knees. So I think I could probably get at least minimum 40, but if it's a sought out of style, I might get a little more. Sheragano. It doesn't look like a very high-end brand, But again, it is a little bit of a larger style, or a larger dress, and it's a really cute like t-shirt style dress. It feels like it may be made out of linen as well. The original MSRP is $138, which is actually surprising. I'm gonna shoot for 30 out of this guy. The next one is Rachel Roy. This is gorgeous. It's a scuba material dress. It's got like the cutout arms. I forget what they call it. I'll remember later, of course. And it's just a little bit longer than knee length. And the original price is $119. I'm gonna try and get 30 to 40 out of this one. The next one is Catherine by Catherine Melandrio. I know I'm butchering a lot of these names. I'm not I don't like a whole lot of name brand clothing for myself, honestly, but this one did not have tags on it, but it's really cute. It's flowy and it's soft. So I'll probably list it for 15 to 20 just because it's not new with tags. This is a BCBG Max Mazzara, and the original price is $288 on this one. It's beautiful. It's, oh, cold shoulders. That's what I was trying to think of. It's got the cold shoulder, ruffle, lace design, cuffed wrist, kind of stretchy, and it's just above the knee length. This one will do really well. I'm going to end up probably listing it for $125. Whether I get that, maybe not, but I'm at least going to get 60 out of this. And I don't need the money, so I will hold on to items if I know its value until it sells for what I want it to sell for. This is Abound, and I have the space to do that. I know some people don't really have the space to be able to keep inventory, but I have a whole basement. I've got a garage, so I've got enough room to store things. So I will wait until it sells for what I want. And this one is Abound. I don't know if it's gonna wash it out or not, but it's just a Nordstrom Rack brand. Original value is $30. So again, I'll list this item for probably $15. But it is linen, and I know people like, it's 55% linen, and I know people like linen material. I do have another one of them. I don't normally look up the retail pictures either for them, but I definitely am probably going to look up a lot of them since they are newer styles and new with tags. It's really going to help it sell quicker. This is a Findz Camuto. This one is a little longer than knee length. This reminds me more of a fall dress. I am still going to list it, but it may not sell till closer to fall, and that's okay. I will probably list that one for $30 to $40. All right, this next one is a SLNY New York. I've gotten this brand quite a bit. It does retail for, you know, a decent amount, $149, but it doesn't resell the greatest unless it's a really sought after style. And this one just has like a lace bottom. It's lined. It's got some ruffles, floral ruffles at the bottom there. I'll probably list this one for $30, and I'll probably get about 25 out of it. This next one is 1901. This is another good brand. I got one other dress from there, and it sold extremely quick. It sold within like a week or something like that. But this has just like a bow detail on the back. It is longer. So the original is $159. I project I'll get 60 out of it. Okay, this one is Mariana, and the original price is $179. It's more of a formal type dress. It's kind of got the lace lined look. It's like a peachy pink. It's got the cutout back. It's really pretty. I'll end up listing this one for probably 60, and I'll probably take 40 for it. This is a 14th place, never heard of the brand. The original is only $48. So this one I'll probably end up listing for like 25, and I'll probably take at my lowest 15. And that'll be okay considering the amount of items that are going to be way over my asking price. This one is another Abound, and it's just a really cute strappy red one. The original price is only $36. So again, this is probably going to be a $20 list and take 15 to 20. I got another one of them. Then I got another one, but in blue, and this is the high neck one. So it is Abound again. Original value is $29 on this one. So I'll be listing it for $20. Probably get 15. And that one, there is another one of 2. This is a Topshop dress, and it feels like this is like a silk. It's got like the high neck, then it's got the back straps to it, kind of crisscross low deep straps, and it's got a really long slit. This is definitely past the knees. And the original value of this one is $68. I have a lot of luck with Topshop as well, so I'm probably going to list this one for $40, and I'll accept probably $20. This is Beach Lunch Lounge. It's a really cute summer dress. It's embroidered, it's cinched waist. Now this isn't a high profit one. Let's see the original value. Well, it's $78 for the original. I'll probably list it for $30, and then I'll accept $20. And this one I did have 2 more of. So yeah, that is all 34 items that I got. All of them but one of them are new with tags. And if you're in the resale business, you know new with tags doesn't always mean a whole lot if the style is good, but being that these are new with tags, it will sell a lot quicker because people buying gifts for people, they want it cheap, they want it new with tags, and they want it in good condition. And I didn't find any issues so far with any of these as I went through them before the video and as I went through them with you guys on this video. So at $8.23 each, every single dress is going to at least get me double that. And I'm so happy with my purchase. I definitely will be buying from them again. So if you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, so just check me out. It's Thrifty on a Dime. And until the next video, make sure you go check out all my other videos. Have a great day. Thank you guys.